Entergy doesn't operate in our economic ecosystem alone. We exist to create benefits for the customers we serve. And thinking differently about innovation for us is an asset. It's a capability that allows us to simply be better at the job that we've been doing for over a century.
Fortune 500 companies are making more intentional innovation efforts. So Entergy decided to make this effort through the formation of KeyString Labs. We thrive on the support from our ultimate leadership. It starts and stops with our chairman, Leo Denault. And our innovation board is actually constructed of 5 OCE members to drive the changes that we're going through and to give us the positive signals and support and ultimately the approval of some of our products to move through the process. And that's critical to the success of innovation.
As technology, information, data, and analytics change, their expectations change with them. And if we're going to meet those expectations, we need to understand those customers and what outcomes they desire. And when we do that, it has long been our beliefs that we will come up with investment opportunities that improve the level of service that our customers receive, improve their experience with us that we wouldn't have thought of if all we looked at was the input of electricity.
We have a very diverse team where we talk a lot about inclusion and belonging within innovation. We're always talking about continuous improvement. So the fact that we're innovating close to our core, we identify a lot of needs and improvement opportunities in the utility. And then customer centricity is the centerpiece of what we do in innovation.
We begin with a broad understanding of consumer trends, marketplace trends, and what's going on with our industry. And then we go and conduct research with our customers, usually ethnographic research that tells us what their motivations, needs, values, and aspirations are.
Shore power is the electrification of marine vessels at port. Normally a boat would come in and leave those diesel engines running, which obviously has effect on emissions and costs and maintenance operations, that kind of thing. Through shore power, they can literally plug into the grid, shut down those diesel engines, reducing local emissions.
We have less wear and tear on our equipment. We're able to prolong the life of our generators and the life in between maintenance overhauls. Shore power is going to assist in air quality for local people. We live here, we fish here, we hunt here. The noise levels are going to be down in the port. Emissions obviously will be cut down.
What we want to do is understand what the customer's goals are, what the vision of the customer of the future is, and always have that at the center of our work and the way that we operate when we look at our innovation process.
We have 7 focus areas for our product themes in the innovation thesis. We use these to define how we're going to power life in the future and where we think technology is going, what new opportunities is this creating for our customers. Power Through is a really good example of a product that spans 2 areas. It's an energy resilience product, so customers are provided with backup generation when the grid goes down. But they get a cost share on that because Entergy uses that same product to help the grid when we have peak demand.
If you live in Mississippi, you know you can get a storm up in 2 seconds and you'll know that you're going to have outages. But with the new generator, we don't have to fret about it. We don't have to worry. It's a selling point for the nursing home because we can tell them, hey, we've got a generator here that if power goes out, we can take care of your people 24/7, and that'll give them peace of mind.
Our customer-centric strategy and innovation is a key to becoming the premier utility, and it's always at the forefront of our minds.